At Curry Acura you can get it all.
Take a look at this impressive 2008 Acura RDX. This is an Acura RDX with 5-speed automatic transmission and just over 35,000 miles. With a fuel consumption of 17 miles per gallon in the city and 22 miles per gallon on the highway, this is certain to fit your needs. This vehicle features 4-wheel disc brakes, ABS brakes, air conditioning, brake assist, CD player, 7 speakers, power windows, cruise control, power mirrors, alloy wheels, and leather seats. This is the vehicle you've been dreaming about. This car had only one owner and is qualified for the Carfax buyback guarantee. With its 4-wheel disc brakes, driver and passenger airbag, and 4-wheel ABS, this vehicle has the features to protect you and your passengers. Call or visit us.